So larger block is going like this with acceleration a, and a smaller block is going like this. In this direction it is a, and in downward direction it is 2a. Okay, so it is like this. So now we will write the equation. So write equation. So equation for capital M. So if you write equation for capital M, so what are the equations? So vertical equation. So if you write vertical equation, what are the forces? N2 upward, M, G, T and F. N2 upward equal to, in vertical direction there is no acceleration, so we can simply balance the forces, plus T plus F1. Okay, and F1 we can put the values. So F1 will be what? Mu1 times N1, then mu times N. So since it is sliding, so we can put the values, the maximum value. Okay, so this is the equation 1. Now we can write another equation. So if you write another equation for horizontal, equation. So horizontal equation will be how much? It is T forward, and N and F2 backward. So 2T forward direction minus N1 minus F2. See, T and T forward, N1 and F2 backward. This will be equal to mass into acceleration A. So acceleration we have assumed A, so we can write like this. So now we can replace the value of friction. So better to write acceleration of 2T minus N1 minus mu2 into N2 equal to Ma equal to 2. Okay, so this is the horizontal equation. Now equation for small m. For a small m, now we are writing. This was for vertical capital M. Now for small m, if we see along vertical. So small m is moving in vertical direction as well and horizontal direction, as both the directions it is moving. So along vertical, if you see, it will be mg downward minus, you can see mg downward, friction upward, tension upward. So mg downward, friction upward, tension upward. So friction upward and tension upward. Since object is coming down, so mg will be greater. So mg downward, friction and tension upward. That will be equal to m into 2a. Okay. So if we solve it, it will be mg minus friction is how much? Mu1 times n1 minus t equal to 2 ma. That is equation 3. Okay. Similarly, we have equation 4. So equation along horizontal, equation 4. If we write equation along horizontal, there is only one force, normal. So n1 will be equal to m into a horizontal direction acceleration, that is a, small m into a. So this is equation 4. Okay, so these are the 4 equations which we are getting, and we need to solve these equations to get the acceleration. So how do we solve it? See, you have equation 1, 2. See, this is equation 1. This is 2. And what are the unknowns? First we will see. What are the unknowns? Tension is unknown, A is unknown, N1 is unknown, and N2 is unknown. These are the 4 unknowns. And there are 4 equations. So first what we can do is we can replace the tension in every equation. So because tension is not required, we need to find acceleration. So first we will replace tension. First we will replace tension and normal. So first, if you replace this one, if you see N1 equal to Ma, we can replace N1 in every equation. If you replace N1, so what it will be? So if you replace first one with N1, it will become the first equation. It will become what? N2 equal to N2 equal to it will be N2 equal to capital Mg minus T minus Ma. This is one. Now in this one also we have, so if we write this one 2T minus Ma, I am replacing this fourth one, N1 equal to Ma. Everywhere where it is N1 we are replacing Ma minus mu2 N2, mu2 N2 equal to capital M. Then third one we can take small mg minus mu1 into Ma minus T equal to small ma. Okay, so these are the, now there are three equations. So this is suppose equation 5, equation 6 and equation 7. So now we have three equations and three unknowns, T, N2 and A. So this time we can replace the N2, or we can replace T. I think T will be better to replace. If we replace T, if we add all the three, so, or if we replace N2, N2 is there in this expression. So first two, we can replace N2. If from 5 and 6, we can replace N2, that will be better. So from 5 and 6, N2 is replaced, because 7 number does not contain N2. So how do we replace N2? So we will write 2T minus Ma minus mu2, and N2 is Mg minus T minus Ma equal to capital Ma. Okay, so this way we can write. So it is 2T minus small ma minus mu2 Mg plus mu2 T plus mu2 small ma equal to capital M. Okay, this much we have got. Now this is equation 8. Now equation 8 and equation 7, if you see, we have only two unknowns. One is tension and second is A. So we can replace the tension. If you replace the tension, so replacing tension from 7 in 8. Replacing T from equation 7 in 8. Okay, so this is the thing we have to do. So if you replace tension, what we are going to do? If you replace tension, that T will be equal to Mg minus mu1 Ma minus Ma. So this thing we have to put. So if you put this thing, we will get 2 Mg minus mu1 Ma minus Ma minus a small ma minus mu2 Mg plus mu2, and in place of T we have Mg minus mu1 Ma minus Ma, then we have mu2 Ma equal to capital M. So this is a big equation, and now we can solve. So we can first, what we can do is we can combine every term which is containing A, so, and every term which is containing G. So we can combine them. So suppose first we are combining G equations. So it will be 4 Mg G term, and then G term minus mu2 Mg minus mu2 small mg, then mu2 Mg, okay, then okay, then there is no term for G. Now for A, if you combine, if you take all the A terms on the other side, so capital Ma, then this minus will become plus on the other side, so plus 2 mu1 Ma minus Ma and plus Ma, this will be plus Ma, and then this is minus, so other side will become plus mu1 mu2 Ma, this will also become plus mu2 Ma and minus mu2 Ma and plus capital. Okay, so this is the expression. Now if we solve it, it will be G 4 small m minus mu2 m. Oh, so these two are cancelled. Okay. So we have only this much. We need to take care of all the signs, and other side it will be A and capital M. So 2m is here, 2m, 2 mu1, 2 mu1, then 2, then mu1 mu2, then mu2, m is there, small m, mu1 mu2, then mu2 m, mu2 m is cancelled. Okay. This much we are getting. So it is coming A equal to 4 small mg divided by capital M plus 2 mu1 m mu1 mu2 m. Okay, so in this way we can solve. So the main thing is to write the equations. So up to here which we have written all the equations up to here, this is the main thing. And in many of the questions in the IIT exam, you will see that in actual exam you will be asked to write the equations only. Means if you are having so many equations, 4 equations, then you need not to solve them, and you will only the last part will be up to here only. So the question has been asked in especially in